Hello my friend, and now I have issue that I could not open this my car's rear trunk door. And how this is possible, because now it is totally stuck and we can hear this sound that there is this electric working, but why this Toyota's rear trunk door it don't open. And now I have to go inside in this car trunk, and this is really interesting thing. And let's go to look at what we can find in inside area. Okay. And now we are in this this rear seat area, and now we can, in that my car, I can open these seats, and now we are inside in this trunk area, but I need next light in there. Okay, and there we can see this inside trunk area, and there is this inner door, and next I have to move inside in this trunk area, because I have to open next these bolts in this door area, trunk door. Okay, and I take my tools next. Okay, and now we are inside in this trunk area, and there is this cover, this cover in this rear trunk door, and I can move this cover in away, and there is this my lock, and there is two 10mm bolts what I need to open, and I have in here 10mm socket what I can install in these places in that way. There is this really 1 and 2 bolts what I need to open next, and this is a little bit difficult, but now this is in position, great. And then I open these both bolts, and soon we can see what happened next, and I think that door is soon open. Let's look. Okay, and then I install this my socket in here, and there is my range, and in this direction I open this bolt. Wait a second. That way, and then I can use this my electric driver. This is faster. Okay, and there is first nut, and then second. Okay, and now door opens. Great. Okay, and here is this my door lock, and then I need to press this lock button. And yes, now it's free and great.
Hello, now it works.